Hello everybody and welcome to another Bitsgap review video. In this video I want to go over recommended coin pair strategies and how you know which coin pairs are good to trade together. Basically there is not really a right answer because nobody really knows which coins are going to perform in the future better than the others. Uh, so it's kind of like a guessing strategy, more or less, but there are some indicators that give us the rough idea about the coin performance and whether it's a good fit for our new bot or not. So here in the Bitsgap software, I'm in the demo mode now. And here in the Bitsgap software, we have on the right side panel, we have something called strategies, right? It's recommended strategies by the Bitsgap. It's basically aggregated data from the users that basically try the different strategies. And this gives you the uh, basically the data from the past performance of the coin, which doesn't really tell you how the coin is going to perform in the future, right? It's just the past performance, and we don't know what's going to be in the future. But it gives us the rough idea how the coin wiggles, and if it if it's some pump and dump coin, or if it's some good coin that basically travels on the chart the way we want. So here we can go here and pick the either month, a week, or 3 days backtest results, right? And what I usually do, I check all three. I check the 3 days results. It depends what you want. If you want to trade with Bitcoin, you have the on the right side here, BTC, right? I usually go for USDT to have the rough idea what's the market is compared to the US dollar. So here we have the top strategies for USDT. Uh, you can check all of go to research a coin if it's not any some very new coin or what they call shit coin. You want to make sure that it's the coin from that it's a coin that is uh, backed by the real stuff, right? If you go to the coin market cap or CoinGecko, you usually see the coin from 1000 from 1 to 1000. They are usually good coins, or from 1 to 500 they are usually good coins. But it's you really have to check what you're putting your money into, right? So you pick the coin and you can go and do your back test result yourself, because these results do not really tell you much as well, because we don't know what settings is here, right? What kind of settings is being used on these back tests. So you come over here and test it. You can test it yourself, right? So we I pick, for example, this one, OXT USDT. Come over here. Here it says I have just 392 USD dollars in my demo account because I used most of the money. So I'm gonna probably pick the other exchange just for the demonstration purposes. Here's the 17 2000. So yeah, that's probably good enough for this purpose. And as you see, it gives me the 0.31 grid step as automatic 190 grid levels. I usually go with a like 0.5, and it gives me 113 grid levels, which I'm okay with. Probably I just check how the grids has been spaced up. And as you can see, I usually prefer when the grids are spaced up like half and half. So I'm gonna move this one down here and this one a little bit lower. If the bottom one is a little bit longer, if there is more grids at the bottom from the middle, it doesn't matter. It's usually better to add more grids to the bottom. And if there is less at the top, it's okay, because it's gonna keep on trailing up, adding new grids there anyway, if it's gonna cross the last line. So now we have 117 grids. Okay, we click back test, and it tells us, it gives us a 24% 30-day return within the past 30 days, right? So if you think it's good, just go ahead and click preview, and confirm, and then you basically start trading your demo bot right away. Okay. Then once it's been added uh, in here, you have to wait at least 3 days to get the proper data, right? Here I have 2 days data. I still will wait more, but it already gives me like the good um, data is 1.66 daily return. It's crazy, guys. Like 1.66. The banks don't give this for a year of having your worthless fiat money in your bank account. So this is like really, really mind-boggling. So once you have the 3 days data at least, you can check what average daily returns looks the best, and then you can head on to your live Bitsgap account and start trading the coin that you chose looks the best, right? So I hope this makes sense. Again, these backtest results in the Bitscap are not a direct indicator of the future coin pair trend, right? It is not. It just gives you the rough idea, and it's kind of it gives you some tools to move around and choose the coin, right? But it could be other way around, could be right opposite. But mm, a lot of times, like you can pick the good coin, this strategy. Okay, thanks very much for watching and hope this makes sense. And yeah, see you in next video. Bye bye.